In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Disney Plus error code 73 on a TV. So the Disney Plus error code 73 typically indicates a location-based issue, often related to geographic restrictions, VPN usage, or incorrect location settings on your TV or system. So the first thing that I always recommend that you guys do is check if Disney Plus is available in your region. So please verify that Disney Plus is available in your country, and you can do this by looking up your region and then go ahead and type in "is Disney Plus available?" and then the name of your region right over there, and then it is going to tell you right away. By the way, if you're traveling or you're in an unsupported country, then you may get this error because some countries don't actually allow Disney Plus, and even in some countries that do, the content is going to be completely different. So guys, again, just keep that in mind. If you're traveling on a vacation and you run into this issue, it is 100% normal. And also, I recommend that you guys disable your VPN or proxy. So Disney Plus actively blocks VPNs and proxy servers to enforce geo restrictions, which is a common cause of error code 73. So if you're using a VPN and then you run into this issue, then what I recommend that you guys do is turn off any VPN or proxy service running on your TV, router, or your network. And by the way, if you're using a smart TV, check the network settings to make sure that no VPN is enabled. Another thing that could be happening is that your internet connection may not be reliable, so a slow or unstable internet connection can trigger error code 73, as Disney Plus requires a stable internet connection. So what I recommend that you guys do is turn off your router and then just keep it off for a couple minutes and turn it back on and then see if it actually does work. And also, some smart TVs require location services to verify your region. So if you have it disabled or incorrect location settings, then it is going to trigger error code 73, and you just want to make sure that the location settings on your TV are 100% accurate. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.